Meaning and symbolism of rapeseed or canola flower. Rapeseed or canola flowers, or nanohana in Japanese, are a long-blooming wildflowers in Japan. Nanohana means edible flower because the bright yellow of the flower is in stark contrast to the green. The hana kutuba are vivacious and brightness. Rape flower not only can be seen, but also its seeds can squeeze over and its vitality is strong, so it implies harvest, vitality, and infinite energy. The best symbol of rape flower is the great spirit of refueling and selfless dedication.